Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify Facebook ads. First, link your Shopify store to Facebook Business Manager. This crucial step integrates your e-commerce platform with your advertising tools. Next, install the Facebook Pixel on your store. It tracks customer actions, providing invaluable data for optimization. Then, define your initial target audience, considering demographics and interests. Finally, ensure your ad account and billing details are correctly set up for seamless campaign launches. Now, let's focus on crafting ads that truly stand out. Design visually appealing creatives that capture attention within the first 3 seconds. Your ad copy should be compelling, clearly highlighting the unique benefits of your products, not just features. Always include a strong call to action, such as shop now or learn more, guiding potential customers. Experiment with various ad formats, including single images, videos, or carousels, to see what resonates best with your audience. Effective targeting and budget management are key to success. Refine your audience using detailed demographics, interests, and behavioral data to reach the most relevant people. Leverage custom audiences from your customer lists and create lookalike audiences to find new potential buyers. Carefully allocate a daily or lifetime budget that aligns with your financial capacity. Select a bidding strategy, like lowest cost or cost cap, that best suits your campaign objectives, whether it's conversions or reach. Finally, continuous analysis and strategic scaling are vital for long-term growth. Regularly monitor key metrics such as your return on ad spend or ROAS to understand profitability. Conduct a/B tests on various ad elements, like headlines or images, to identify what performs best. Based on your performance data, make informed adjustments to your campaigns. When an ad proves successful, consider scaling it by gradually increasing your budget or expanding its audience reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.